Randy and Antoinette, a tough morning for this town and many others on the South Shore as well as the Cape. A lot of droopy trees there and a lot of darkness. Here in the town of Carver, 67% of the people are without power. You know, the snow that fell may not have been as much as some of the jackpot communities, but here in the South Shore, it was wet. And combined with those high winds, it downed trees and power lines from Quincy all the way to Plymouth, leaving homes and businesses without power. Half of Norwell had no electricity last night, and many are still without power. Scituate braced for the worst, but only 20% of the town lost power. Duxbury among the worst hit, at one point nearly all of the town in the dark.
10 inches of wet, heavy cement snow with the high winds, and we do have a lot of damage in Duxbury.
We're very, very fortunate to have a generator, which is, I think, the only saving grace in a situation like this.
Duxbury has seen improvement overnight. This morning, nearly half are without power. Many utility crews, even those from out of state, were still here from those previous nor'easters, so they were ready to go to work, but residents have been warned that they may be without power for several days.